exposing the real deal behind Bitcoin's hype. Let's dive into Peter Schiff's big debate on Joe Rogan's podcast. Peter Schiff, famous for his love of gold and skepticism of Bitcoin, recently took to Joe Rogan's podcast to share his critical views. Schiff thinks Bitcoin is just a bubble, comparing it to the infamous tulip mania and pets.com. He argues that Bitcoin has no inherent value and isn't used for everyday stuff. But here's the kicker. Schiff's arguments kind of apply to gold too. He says gold has intrinsic value due to its physical properties, but Bitcoin fans counter that their favorite digital coin is even better. It's portable and easy to transfer. Sure, Schiff raises valid concerns about market speculation and regulations, but he might be missing the bigger picture. In a digital world, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin could be the next big thing. So who wins this debate? Maybe it's not about picking sides, but understanding the evolving landscape of money.